Hello, my name is Zach, and I read The Last Kids on Earth, The Midnight Blade by Max Brallier. Have you ever wondered what it would be like during the end of the world? I'll be talking about Jack Sullivan's adventures in Westview during the monster apocalypse. This book is about Jack Sullivan and his friends, Quint, June, and Dirk, and their adventures during the end of the world. Jack is funny, silly, and heroic. You can always count on Jack if something goes wrong. It starts off with Jack and his friends pretending to be zombies inside of a bowling alley so that they can infiltrate the enemy's lair. Their enemies are Evie and Gots. Evie is Gots' assistant. She is stubborn and believes that Gots is someone that he is not. Gots is a giant mind-controlling rat. He can control zombies with his plastic tail. He wants to be the ruler of the end of the world. If Jack and his friends don't stop Gots, he will move on to other towns outside of Westview and gather other zombies for his army. The lair is located in a bowling alley food court. As they entered the food court, there was a horde of zombies there to meet them. That's when Quint pulled out the zombie-attracting wiffle ball. The wiffle ball is filled with worms, gummy bears, and raw fish meat. A zombie likes. Everything a zombie likes. They used this to get past the zombies and into Gots and Evie's headquarters. Jack, June, Quint, and Dirk charged right in with their secret monster backup. Their secret monster backup was a group of monster friends who they met in the last book. During this scuffle, they found themselves in a giant sinkhole along with Evie and Gots. It was underground sinkhole that they found monster healing vines that were regenerating wounded monsters, good or bad. This is where they found Thrall, their old arch nemesis, healing. Eventually, he meets Evie and Gots and join evil forces. I give this book a 5 out of 5 stars. I recommend this because I love the action and the storytelling. It is unique because it combines humor with the end of the world story. You wouldn't think that those two things would go together well. The Last Kids on Earth book is a series and a TV show on Netflix. I like this because I can read the book and watch it later in the show.
Zach!